Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by picking the cell that will show the linked text. This is where your friendly label appears. Type equals hyperlink, then provide the link location in quotes or as a cell reference, followed by a comma and the friendly name. Once done, close the parentheses and press enter. Excel then shows the text as a clickable link. Make sure to use quotes for literal strings and proper path syntax so Excel resolves the target. Continue by making links dynamic so they update automatically. You can concatenate parts, equals hyperlink, http://na1and/page, open page. Once done, combine text, left, or value to format pieces and reference cells instead of hardcoding. Make sure to use if or VLOOKUP when the destination depends on conditions. That way, a single formula adapts to different rows. This approach finish by validating every link. Click to confirm it opens the intended page, sheet, or file. If links point to closed workbooks, ensure paths are correct and use full UNC or absolute paths for reliability. Once done, lock formula cells to prevent accidental edits and use find to catch broken references. If a link returns hash value or fails, make sure your link location is a valid string or cell reference and that friendly name is provided. Correcting quotes often fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.